Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you missed part 1, be sure to check that out first. Let's dive into the next set of tips for safe trailer truck parking. Using parking aids and equipment. Getting a trailer truck into place isn't just about skill, it's also about using the right tools. Simple gear like wheel chocks or high-tech backups like sensors can mean the difference between a smooth park job and a costly mistake. Here's how these tools help you avoid damage and keep everything stable. Wheel chocks and stabilizers. A parked trailer might look stationary, but weight shifts, wind, or even slight slopes can make it creep. Wheel chocks, wedge-shaped blocks placed against tires, act like doorstops for your rig. They lock the wheels in place so the trailer stays put, even on uneven ground. Stabilizers serve a different role. These are mechanical supports, often built into the landing gear, that keep the trailer from rocking when you walk inside or when cargo shifts. Without them, a trailer can wobble, stressing the hitch and suspension over time. Key tips for using them right. Use chocks on both sides of the tires, relying on just one invites slippage. Check stabilizer tension. They should take the wiggle out, but not lift the wheels off the ground. Replace worn chocks, cracked or flattened blocks won't grip properly. Think of it like setting up a ladder. You wouldn't lean it against a wall without securing the base. Same logic applies to trailers. Chocks and stabilizers keep it from going anywhere unexpected. Backup cameras and sensors. Mirrors have blind spots, especially when you're backing a 53-foot trailer into a tight dock. That's where backup cameras and sensors come in. These give real-time views of what's behind you, highlighting obstacles like low curbs, stray pallets, or other trucks creeping into your space. Sensors add another layer by beeping when you get too close to something. They don't replace checking mirrors, but they're like having a second set of eyes, ones that work in the dark or tight spaces where visibility's limited. Benefits worth noting. Reduced guesswork. See exactly how much room you have before turning. Fewer minor dents. Catch obstacles before they scratch the trailer. Better night parking. Cameras with night vision help in poorly lit lots. Tech won't park the rig for you, but it cuts down on those "I didn't see that coming" moments. Ever backed into a pole you swore wasn't there? Cameras and sensors help avoid that feeling. Regular maintenance to support safe parking. A well-parked trailer truck isn't just about the right spot or technique. It's also about keeping the rig in top shape. Ignoring maintenance ups the chances of something going wrong, whether it's a failed brake or a loose hitch. Small issues turn into big problems fast when you're parked on uneven ground or in tight spaces. Pre-trip inspections. Before parking, give your truck and trailer a quick but thorough check. Catching problems early means fewer surprises when you shut down for the night. Focus on these key areas. Brake systems. Test the trailer brakes by tugging lightly after coupling. If the rig rolls too easily, adjust or repair them before parking. Tires. Look for cracks, bulges, or low pressure. Soft tires sag under load, making the trailer unstable on uneven surfaces. Hitch mechanisms. Check for loose bolts, worn pins, or grease buildup. A shaky connection risks detachment when parked. A 5-minute inspection can save hours of roadside repairs. Ever had a trailer shift unexpectedly overnight? Proper checks keep that from happening. Post-parking checks. Parking doesn't end when you turn off the engine. Walk around the rig to confirm everything's secure and undamaged. Here's what to verify. Landing gear stability. Make sure it's fully cranked but not bearing all the weight. Uneven pressure bends components over time. Chock placement. Kick the blocks to confirm they're snug against the tires. No leaks or drips. Puddles under the trailer might mean hydraulic or brake fluid issues. Cargo doors, locks. Ensure they're sealed and latched to prevent tampering or shifting loads. Think of it like locking your front door. You check the handle twice before leaving. Same logic applies here. Regular maintenance isn't just for the road. A well-kept trailer parks safer, stays put, and avoids damage that costs time and money to fix. Parking a trailer truck the right way saves time, money, and headaches down the road. It's not just about finding a spot, it's about balancing the load, securing the rig, and choosing the right ground. Simple habits like checking weight distribution, using wheel chocks, and inspecting the hitch make a big difference. Tech helps, but nothing replaces good judgment. Cameras and sensors are useful, but they won't fix poor parking decisions. Regular maintenance keeps the trailer stable, whether it's parked for an hour or overnight. Next time you pull into a spot, take a few extra seconds to do it right. Your cargo, your rig, and your wallet will thank you. Got a parking tip that saved you trouble? Drop it in the comments. Other drivers might learn something new. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.